Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS access stairs and ladders. In previous video, we talked about how to create a platform and then create a platform opening. In this video, we will talk about creating a handrail for the existing platform. Okay, so whenever you create a platform, there is an option of handrail for the current platform. Okay, so you just have to select a platform and go for handrail for current platform option. So just click on that, a create handrail option will pop up, and then you can go for the handrails. So let's say HD underscore one, that is my first handrail I'm going to create. You can have a description. Then you have basic handrails which are already there in the database. Okay, I will be starting with detail handrail as of now. Okay, and then there are various options here. We will talk about that later. Let's go with handrail geometry. Okay, so I'm just going with handrail geometry as of now, and here what you can do is already your platform is created, so I can either pick from the item which is platform. I can pick various options also, pick points and all, but what I want to do here is I want to create a handrail for the existing. So you can say copy path of owner. Here owner is basically a platform, so it will directly take a platform edges as a path of handrail, and there is an option of closed handrail, so you can just click on that. It will be closed from all the sides. If you say open, it will be open from one side. Okay, so that you can check uncheck depending upon your requirement. I will be going for closed one as of now, and then you can say accept changes, and you will be back to create handrail. Okay, and then what you can do is if you want to change this radius, you can have here 500 bend radius, and that radius will change. If you want to change post spacing, let's say at 1000, so every post will come to 1000. So that is, so these posts and rails are basically the distance by which you can have different spacings. Okay, so these are those numbers, and then you can say create handrail, but generally you have will have an opening in handrail. So what you can do is you can just go and create a gate. Okay, so create gate will provide an opening in the handrail. So I will say add a gate, and whenever you say add gate, it will activate the position control toolbar, and you can select where you want to add that gate. Okay, so I will just go to midpoint as a simple option, and I will just click on this edge. A midpoint of that edge will be selected, and you will find there is a gate which is getting created. So that will be basically the opening for my handrail, and I can change the position of a gate. Okay, by say moving, or say you can say proportion. I can have 0.75, and I can just click on this edge. My gate will move to this point, and then you can say accept changes. That will basically give the opening for the handrail. You can go to create handrail again, so you can see there is an opening, and then you can say create handrail. That will basically create a handrail with the opening. Okay, now if you want to modify, you can go to modify handrail. Okay, so I will just say I'm already in the handrail. I will just go to gate. You can change width of this gate. It is 1000 as of now. You can make it 2500, a bigger gate. Sorry. Okay, so now it is having a gate. Yeah, I'm just checking how we can go for. Yeah, so this is how you can create a handrails, and then you can again you will have a option of create handrails and gates, modify handrails and gates, splitting the handrail into two. So we will be going through the detail options of handrails in the coming video. Okay, so this is how you can basically create a handrail and gate, basic handrail and gate. We will go through the all the modifications which we can do in the handrails. Okay, so thank you for joining. If you like the content, do follow my channel, subscribe my channel for the latest content, and keep sharing a word of a channel with friends, those who are willing to learn AVEVA PDMS. Thank you for joining.